Swept path analysis can quickly become complex, especially when managing multiple simulations in the same drawing. To simplify this process, every analysis in our software is created as a custom entity. You can copy or move it with standard CAD commands, or fine-tune it individually at any time. Because each analysis behaves independently, you have the freedom to apply unique settings and display options to different scenarios in the same drawing. This makes it easy to compare alternatives side by side without affecting the rest of your work. One analysis might have its hatch turned off, axle traces displayed, and a custom colour applied. Another could use a different hatch style with adjusted colour and transparency. You can even extract the hatch to quickly calculate its area. For a third analysis, you might enable the envelope safety buffer and set its colour to highlight clearance requirements. The result? Smoother workflows, cleaner designs, and an intuitive process that works seamlessly with standard CAD commands.